So now we will understand the drainage system of this top loading washing machine. If you see, this outer tub is connected with the drain pump. Okay, from this side, okay, the water comes out from the tub through this pipe, okay, and it's connected to the drain pump. So when the drain pump starts, it pumps out the water through this pipe, okay, it comes out at this height, and the drain water goes out with this drain pipe. So one thing, for this machine we have to keep drain pipe at this height always, and later on we can put it in the zinc or a drainage system, no problem, but we have to maintain minimum 1 meter from the bottom. Now to replace the drain pump, first we have to remove internal drain pipe. Okay, just push the clip, press and push it back. Now before removing this pipe, we have to see that there will be some remaining water inside which will come out. So you can keep some small vessel, or you have to keep some cloth to avoid any further damage with the water. Now with the help of the flat screwdriver, you can easily push it back and remove the drain pipe. After removing this pipe, we have to disconnect this discharge pipe, press the clip, okay, and it comes out very easily, okay, and you can just pull the drain pipe slowly. Once the both pipe is disconnected, we have to tilt the machine towards the left side, okay. Then we have to open the screws which is given from the bottom of this machine. After you put the mat on the floor, tilt the machine towards left and keep it down slowly. So after you tilt the machine, there is a 2 screw given for the drain pump. You have to just open these 2 screws. Now slowly you have to just pull the drain pump out, and here the drain pump comes out. Now we have a 2 wire connection. We can just lift it, okay, disconnect it, and the drain pump is out. Now this drain pump, it's operate on 220 to 40 volt, 50 hertz, it's 65 watt. Now we'll see the resistance of this drain pump motor. You can take the resistance with these 2 points, and here it shows 86 ohms, okay. This is also one way to check the motor if the resistance is okay or not. In case if you need to clean this drain pump, okay, you can easily unlock it. Here is the lock portion. You have to just tilt it on up, okay, and by holding it, just turn, okay, and it comes out. So any pin or any foreign object comes and stuck here, you can easily remove it and you can fix it back. Okay, just set the lock properly, press it and just turn it back to its original position. It's lock. So while fixing it back, first very important, we need to fix this cover. Okay, this is safety from the water. So you have to just fix the cover through this lock. Okay. Then you can connect the wire. Okay. just put the pump inside, insert it in original position. Now we have a rubber bush and there is the washer here. If the washer comes out, you have to insert the washer, okay, and then you can just press it inside properly. Drain motor is fixed. Then you connect the drain hose. And the clip. Here we have a sensor. Okay, to replace the sensor we need to open these two screws and the sensor will come out. For example, first we just open this lock, okay, and this, pull it out, it will come out very easily. Okay, the sensor is used for the water temperature, to sense the water temperature. For fixing it back, insert the sensor inside. Now we'll see the gear motor. There is one gear motor which is used to unlock the clutch. Okay, it's operate at the time of spin, so the drum will rotate. In normal mode, only the, okay. Now this is the way. In this mode, the drum rotates. Okay, when this motor operates and it goes back, so the clutch is open. So when the rotor moves, that time the pulsator moves. Open this motor, we can just use the T-spanner, 10 mm. Okay, disconnect the connector and you can just lift the motor out carefully. You can check the resistance between these two pins. It will show around 8.6 kilo ohms. When you want to fix this motor back, you have to just take care of this lock. Now it's a half cut. Okay, so while inserting it, you have to be just careful. Take inside. Okay, first lock, insert this lock, and then fix the motor back to its original position. So now we'll see how to disassemble the main motor. Okay, you have to first open the center nut. I will require the adjustable spanner to open this. Okay, now we'll pull out the rotor. Just pull it back, and you can see where it has come out. Slowly it will come out. Okay, so here you can see it's a magnet. So sometimes this magnet also get cracked. So whenever you open, you should have a close look on it. Remove this cap, you can remove this earthing wire. Now it's easily you can remove this connector out. Now we'll see how this clutch motor operates. To operate this clutch, okay, so this pulley, when motor rotates, it get pulled. When it get pulled, this portion comes up. Okay, and this portion goes down like this. So you can see when it comes up and it goes down, it gets locked here, and when in this position, when it's rotate, it will rotate the drum, and when it's when it's out, that time it will rotate the. First we'll fix the stator. Okay, and just press inside. Now wire back to its original position. Then the center nut.